This is an Elgin BW Raymond pocket watch, railroad grade, and has a Montgomery dial. And you can tell the Montgomery dial because it has the minute numbers on there, and it has a 6 for the hour. And this one's Elgin. In this case, I don't know if you can see that up there, it says Elgin RR for railroad. And this is, of course, a lever set watch. There's the lever up there by the, what's that, the 6, I guess. Let's see if I can pull it out. No, I can't pull it out because I pulled it out before. There you go. Okay, well, almost had it. Almost had it. There. So I pull the lever out, and then I can. Oh, I didn't pull it all the way. There it is. Now it's out all the way. Now I can set the time. I push the lever back in. Yeah, they did that so you couldn't accidentally change the time. Let me put the front back on, the bezel. And then there's the back. And then we get to the movement. And there's the movement, and I'm going to turn it like this so you can read everything. Oh, it's very shiny. Yeah, BW Raymond, 21 joules, adjusted 5 positions. And inside there it says something also. What does that say? Elgin watch, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, there's 9 adjustments. 3 being he called an isochronism, and then 6 for position, which would be face up. Well, that's number 2, and then number 3, and number 4, and then face down would be another 5, and then face up would be another one. For railroad grade, they didn't do this one. So those are the 5 positions. So whenever you see that written on a watch, you know what they're talking about. So that's the BW Raymond. Now they say this company, out of all the quality pocket watches made in America, Elgin made half of them. So they really put out a lot. That's my thing for today, and see you around. Well, let's listen to the watch. It's got a very good click to it. Very strong beat.